So you have a Lovable website and you are concerned about GDPR. Totally understandable. It's a bit of a minefield, and I just want to show you that if you use Lovable Cloud's built-in European servers, then you won't need to worry any information that a European citizen might happen to fill in on your website to submit a form, for example, will be passed securely to a European Lovable Cloud server. So let's put that into action. So on an example website here, which has been plugged in with our SEO workaround, which there's another video about over here. If we were to ask it to set up my contact form submissions using Lovable Cloud, we are looking for Lovable to make sure that when someone fills this out, I receive a email notification. So let's hit send on that. Eventually Lovable will pop up with a Enable Cloud pop-up. We're going to choose Europe, which is where our project's data is going to be stored, and then hit allow. Lovable Cloud is now enabled, and it will now do all of the work required to enable contact form submissions to be put in. So Lovable is claiming it's all done. Of course it's not, because if you were to fill this out, how would it even know my email address or where to send it through, especially if I was building this for this client, for example. This is a fictional client. So let's throw that over in here and say, hey, set up email so I can receive these form submissions. And here's what we're looking for, the magic Lovable button, which is set up email domain. Now, if you follow this through, you have a couple of options here. Let's say we're going to be sending it to that Apex Scaffolding.com. We want emails to be sent from Apex Scaffolding just saying, hey, you've had an inquiry form received, and then set up the domain. Now, you're probably familiar with the domain wizard that Lovable uses, which will pop up in a second. Okay, and then when you get through that, you'll see Lovable is asking you to add a text record and then 2 delegated NS records. So these aren't your name servers. These are NS records you'll add into your DNS settings. Once you add all of those, then Lovable Cloud will be able to send emails on your behalf, and ideally send them to yourself, so that when you fill out this form, you can send inquiries. If an EU citizen were to fill this out and hit send inquiry, their personal details would hit the Lovable Cloud EU servers, and then you would receive the notification email. So all GDPR compliant and nice and easy to set up within Lovable with no extra steps. Thank you.